You searched how to buy shares of Satellogic Inc. Satellogic is an Earth observation company that builds and operates small satellites and provides geospatial data, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker SATL. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To buy SATL, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you'll usually verify your account by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before placing a trade. Use the broker platform search bar and enter the ticker SATL to locate the listing. Select the result that explicitly names Satellogic Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will find a short company description and a price chart for SATL showing recent movements. Double-check the company name, the NASDAQ exchange, and the SATL ticker to confirm it's the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, input the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details including order type and estimated cost. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a limit at your specified price. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the order fills, your SATL position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.